Hello, and welcome to another case study with League City Fence Company. Today we are at a fitness building in League City where we installed 228 feet of chain link fence. So right over here we have a section of chain link with a 36-inch gate that the fitness owner of the gym wanted so they could access right over here. You can see we are actually on their pickleball courts. So if you're in the League City area and looking for a place to play pickleball, this is a cool little option, especially in the morning when the sun is coming up on the east. This area is really cool. It's got a nice breeze, so we'll put the link to the facility in the show notes. But anyway, so this is 6-foot tall chain link, and he wanted basically to do the perimeter of the two pickleball courts, and then in the middle he wanted a little separator. So this is a 4-foot tall chain link fence. We went ahead and welded the base plates on the bottom, as you can see, so that way provided more stability on there than just the two little screws that came with it. And then at the end we have the terminal post with the tension bars on there and a bigger base plate. We opted to go ahead and go a little bit on the side from the concrete, and it actually worked out great because we started the fence back on the back corner of the building, and then we went around, and it just worked out great to where the post over here lined up, and we didn't want to be directly over the concrete crack there because you could see the area there. If you get too close or we tried to straddle it, the concrete probably would end up breaking. Again, this is the 4-foot tall fence, chain link, and then we'll go over here to the rest. As you can see, it goes around the building here, and this is the 4-foot gate right here. So we opted to give him a bigger gate here instead of the 36. This is 228 feet of chain link fence that we installed for this customer in League City. So if you need any type of fence projects for your business or even residential, please give League City Fence Company an opportunity to give you a quote. We offer free estimates. We can come out to your property, survey everything you need, discuss with what you want to do, and make sure that we install exactly what you want. You can visit our website at www.leaguecityfencecompany.com, or you can also give us a call at 281-724-5770. We can handle all your fencing needs. And again, thank you for watching, and have a great day.